Eric, Nikki, we're here at the future site of a 24-hour comprehensive care campus where first responders will be able to bring people who are having a psychotic crisis. And that's kind of the idea of why the city had this State of the City here today. The mayor said they had that first State of the City where they focused on bringing live music to Sacramento and upgrading that. He said this time, part two is about getting back to the hard stuff. And when he says the hard stuff, he's talking about that homeless response coordination. Today's big news, a new emergency response to homelessness for the city, which will be led and directed by the Sacramento City Fire Department. Think the official incident command system manager. It's going to be a new level of coordination for the city. He says elements of this emergency response on homelessness must be the same as other major disaster coordination responses, rapid deployment and response, and the immediate and rapid sharing of information. Think incident command, coordinated emergency response, or emergency operations center. The mayor mentioned the New Year's storm at the beginning of the year and the rapid and coordinated response by all departments across the city and county to get things back up and running. Then he says something like that. The mayor says Sac City Fire will coordinate with the Department of Community Response, the police department, code enforcement, county behavior health workers, park rangers, and outside service partners like Hope Cooperative to focus on getting those people in crisis the help that they need on a case-by-case basis. The mayor says it comes down to this. The future is not everybody goes to the ER. Everybody goes to the right facility the first time.
In the end, no amount of coordination or encampment outreach or even necessary enforcement will change our reality until we provide many more pathways into safe camping, into shelter, into tiny homes, into permanent housing, and even more importantly, for the thousands who need it, mental health and drug treatment.
And the mayor says he understands there is a fine line between over-promising and too low of expectations. He says services between the city and county need to be increased dramatically, and that teamwork needs to be definitely enhanced between the city and county. That funding needs to be enhanced as well. He says he needs the criminal justice system as a partner with this homeless response coordination. And he says if there are not enough solutions, the public will be disappointed. So of course he's taking that responsibility on as the mayor of Sacramento here and saying the city has got to step up, the county, and we're about to coordinate all these different departments that we have with these first responders and really try to enhance this coordination response. Reporting live in South Sacramento, covering local news that matters, I'm Zach Boetto, Fox 40 News.